Hey there, I'm Rachel with Everyday Good Looks, and my hair is wet today, as you can see, because we're going to do a tutorial on how to use the Revlon one-step round brushing hair dryer. The first thing I'm going to do is to put a heat protectant in my hair, and I'm using the Kerastase Elixir Ultimate. I'll have a link for that down in the description. It says on the box to use 2 pumps, or sorry, it says use 1 to 2 pumps, and I usually use 1.5. And this also adds shine to your hair, but you just kind of want to get it in the roots and not on the ends. So I'm just taking little dots from my palm and putting it in the roots of my hair near the scalp, and then I'll brush it through like that. And I've still got a little bit in my palms there, so I'm just kind of gonna get that in good. This does really help to protect the hair, and it makes it look really shiny, which is an added bonus. Okay, that's all in. And my hair is damp. It's not soaking wet. You don't really want to use that Revlon hair dryer when your hair is soaking wet, or it will take you forever. So you can prep by blow drying it with your hair dryer, or just letting it air dry on its own, which is what I did. So I'm just gonna turn it on. It's got 3 settings: low, cool, or off, cool, low, and high. I'm gonna use low. The high tends to be a little hot. So I just wanna round brush up and out. And I'll go over the top to make sure the top gets smooth. Pretty wavy hair that I'm trying to get straight today. So it might take me a little longer than it takes you if you already have straight hair. With this front piece, you can kind of take it at an angle and down to have it turn out a little if you want to. I'm just going to have it curled under. I don't generally use this round brushing hair dryer on the highest setting because it's just really hot and it burns your hands. You can use a heat glove if you need it to go, if you need your hair to go faster, to be blow dried faster. You can use it on high. And I'll show you what that's like on the other side. I'll turn it up to high. Burning hair. But it is drying a lot faster. Get my glove on. I recommend doing it on low. It's just too hot on high. I wish there was a medium. That would probably be perfect. So this is what it looks like. It's still a little damp. I probably should have done it a little more, but you can get an idea of what it looks like in the back. I'm still going to need to flat iron my hair to get a more sleek look because I do have very wavy hair and it takes quite a bit of cajoling to get it all the way straight. So I'm going to plug in my flat iron and I'll be back in a minute when it heats up and I will finish it off and let you see. Okay, my flat iron is heated up. I've got my heat glove on. I usually put it on my left hand because my right hand will be touching the part that's not hot. This is the Babyliss Pro Prima 3100. I'll also have a link for that down in the description. And this is my favorite flat iron because it heats on the outside. So when I curl my hair with it, it does a really great job. And it's also a really solid flat iron. You can choose the heat setting here on the side, and mine is on the middle, orange, or 380 degrees. All right, I'm just gonna go section by section so that I can get a really straight, sleek look. And I know this seems like it takes a lot of time, but I only wash my hair twice a week, so this will last me for 3 days, maybe even 4 days. keep plugging along here. I like to take smaller sections because I feel like you get a sleeker look and all of it gets flat that way. Okay, I'm going to come over to this side. I usually do 2 passes and try to focus mostly near the end and kind of curl in towards my face as I go. I'm sorry, I'm a little sick today. My family's been sick all through Thanksgiving and this first part of December, and so I've got a runny nose and a cough. And I'll be honest, I didn't feel like doing my hair today, but I'd really like to get a video done, and I want to help people learn how to use these tools. So here we are. Okay, I'm going to do the back, and I just want to focus down below. I still want to have some body up top. Can't see what I'm doing back there, so hopefully it looks okay. Oh, this flat iron also has a locking mechanism, which I really like. So you just push that up to open and down to lock. So there we go. If you'd like, you could put in some finishing spray or hairspray. I'm fine with it how it is. What do you think about the shine that we put in? Do you think it looks shiny? I think it makes a really big difference when I put the Kerastase in. So there you have it. I'll turn around so you can see it. There you go. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please post a comment.